problem for true I live. Every week him say he miss me and the baby too. Him not help much but him still
Campus done, feeding done. But you were there party last night with big Hennessy bottle fan table like you rich.
Lord Jesus, who done mash up me gate so early? Girl, why you come at me gate with all this noise? Me a pray.
Pray for your son then, cause him no responsibly.
Mind how you're talking a me yard.
Mind, me baby drink last spoon of porridge from last night, and him the uptown party with ice bucket Hennessy like celebrity.
Choman take time with the baby. Me tired fi take time. Every week a same sin thing. Him a go send it. Him phone dead. Him boss no pay him yet. Me know baby, me know.
A same thing. Him a go phone send phone them boss no pay him yet, but party money was up here.
Orane, come here now before the whole lane hear this.
What happened now, man?
What happened? You serious?
Me did I go call you, huh?
Call who? Me call you 20 times. All me see on Instagram are you a shout, DJ pull up that again. Hey, morning entertainment start early today.
Miss Pearl, mind your business.
Or when you really go party?
And Neville birthday me did it there.
And then, Neville birthday you fi buy Pampers too.
How much should the Pampers cost?
Me never have enough money. Me did short.
Short, but the Hennessy bottle taller than you doubt.
Me friend them by the back lay.
But you drink it same way. If a Pampers did pour in a cup, maybe you would have buy it.
And me friend them by the back lay.
Jesus
No,
Christ.
auntie,
Leave Jesus out of this. I see me like me need to enter the conversation.
You're too rude with the mouth, Chile. Me sorry, auntie, but the baby hungry now. All right, me soon get it. Jesus Christ. Here, buy the baby them sinting.
Me no want you money, auntie. I him fi act like a father.
Oran, you shameful bad.
Oren, you dead on social media today, boss.
Shaman!
You no have no shame for me. Disgrace for me Sabbath.
What you mean? Me never do nothing.
I bet say Perla go tell the people them at church why you bad a ban far.
Me sorry, mommy.
You a go come out of me place.
Me sorry.
Yo. Make me go out there to him now because me no want him in a me place. Why you want to rain?
A little pampas me carry comfy baby Pinky.
Why you mean little pampas? I want that little bag there.
So what wrong with the bag?
Pampas Cheyenne fit in a that. How much you buy? One pampas?
Me did a plan for carry more come Saturday.
Which Saturday? But today is Saturday.
Me mean next Saturday.
Next Saturday. You serious?
Why you always a go with me, Pinky? Me just want to see me baby.
The baby asleep and you not coming to me house.
Why me can't come in?
Cause me know you already. You're gonna try push up on me and start up foolishness.
Push up on you, me have bear gal.
I wish one? Cause every minute you text me miss you and more baby.
Pinky.
Don't pinky me. Make me rude to out here today.
Pinky man, stop going like you no love me.
Love you. All you do is hurt me.
Pinky man, stop man.
All the big god girl we making her fighting at the party, I want buck her again.
And that you still a going about?
Yes.
Anyway, come look on the baby quick.
Yeah.
Fadda.
Alright. You are my first love in a Pinky.
Just go on in at the house, man. Zuri long fi see her father.
Every time him come on me yard, him always want come in on me house. Cause him feel like say somebody want him back. But me no want you back around. Them cry see self.
Problem for true I live. Every week him say he miss me and the baby too. Him not help much but him still a come true. Try fi creep back in on my life like nothing ever do. One pampas in a bag and him proud.
Why you no woman she and put down the argument sometime, eh?
Me no caretaker fi no grown man.
A just conversation me a try have.
Conversation. Every time you come here so up your problem.
Probably things will go better still. Them call if you work on one construction site. If me getting at that, money go start dropping.
A pure talk that if money did really there, me wouldn't have to struggle with a picnic by myself.
So we can fix back with family?
Hell no. You two mix up. When you realize that, maybe life easier for you. Plus me want one good boyfriend now. Me not look back on you.
So what happened to we?
Me just want me baby get little bigger so me can move on with me life.
Move on with what? No man a raise me pick me.
You better shut up.
So really she and cool out, spend one night together like old times?
Spend the night? You did live ya and go sleep another gal yard and sneak out 6 o'clock morning. Me no want you ya.
Baby, please, it wasn't like that.
Me done with you lies.
Please, forgive me.
No. Me want some time with you or one little touch.
Look ya, mommy warn you already. Stop force up yourself on me. The relationship done. Don't make me tell you again.
Woman, where the baby there?
Baby, they with me mother. And stop questioning me like police.
I what wrong with that tough gal, yeah?
Kim no say nothing, you know she stay.
Who she? What is in the night, yeah? Make me go home before me disrespect myself. Mr. Ratty, you have mixed parts.
Yes, man.
Alright, give me 4 pound of flour, 4 pound mixed parts, 2 pound of Irish, and 2 better pack curry day and 1 time.
Coming up.
Pinky thinks she can get back Orion from me? She said she just passed and gone to the shop. Dirty girl, Pinky.
Never do.
Shopkeeper, me love this vibe, yeah. Dirty girl, Pinky. Other girl, look how problem I follow me. Yo, me come bout. Before you come bout, me go look alive first. You a try style? No, man. Me a talk to the stray dog we follow man up and down. You me come bout. Before you come bout, me go look alive first. I try you a try style me? No, man. Me a talk to the stray dog we follow man up and down.
Aye, ladies, no mash up me shop, you know.
Top call of Orion name. Him no want you. Orion? The same Orion was still outside me gate every week? Girl, please.
Jesus Christ! Who stop?
And next time, keep my name out of your mouth. Mr. Roy, come sell me what me come fi buy, no me hungry. Look how she come disturb me, man.
Tro, calm down, miss. What can I get for you?
Me what the drink them, mixed parts and the other things them woman bout. She come bout me over, man.
Pray about a woman.
Ada gal ya go need the prayer, me a go make sure full me belly. Me a go make sure tell the boy ya fi avoid me. Because him there with pure careless gal. And I doubt me have me new one she grow up and see this. Me a fight fi man. Look how much time me tell him fi left me alone. Just because of the baby make me still come on me yard and woman a take set pan me. Me tired of it now.
If mommy and daddy stay a foreign and hear this a problem. 1 year me have left for college. And me go breed and look ya now disgrace.
Orion, me want to talk to you. Come here little bit.
I want that girl they come back in my yard for with a whole heap of wild behavior. With all due respect, Miss Bev, me come fi talk to Orion.
Come here, come talk to nobody. I feel me place this. Him have him own place for live.
Miss Bev.
No, go on way.
Every minute disturbance. Disturb me, son. Disturb me. Me tired of it. Orion, hear me now. Tell them girl they way hype up you fi left me alone. Me no want you and that me come tell you. And me no want you come back here come make problem. Me still don't know how Orion end up with somebody like you.
Lord drama again.
You never know who your picnic father be, but you quick fi come bother people, son. Miss Bev, no make me rude to you. Me always show you respect when me come here. Disrespect me. You shan't disrespect me. After me place this, you think say because you people them there for you are somebody.
Miss Bev, I know so you go.
As long as me leave, me no want you tied down with this girl. She no have no manners.
Granny, cool no.
No, and you girl don't come back in my yard again.
Alright, Miss Bev, me not disrespect you. And Orion, stay far from me and Zuri. We done with you now.
Good riddance.
Look how me disgrace myself. People are disrespect me so. Zuri mommy I go back at school because this are not me life. Me refuse to become
a few
Wutlis
months
woman.
later, Pinky filing finally came true, giving her the opportunity to leave Jamaica and start over in the United States with her parents. With a second chance at life, she enrolled back into school overseas, determined to build a better future for herself and leave her painful past behind. Meanwhile, back in Jamaica, life never really settled at Miss Bev's yard. Not long after Pinky left the island, Orion got involved with another girl, and before long, she became pregnant too. At first, Miss Bev thought things would finally work out better this time, but she realized she was wrong. Every night, the baby cried non-stop through the small house, bringing stress and frustration. Orion barely stayed at home, still moving careless and irresponsible, while Miss Bev found herself once again helping to raise another child that wasn't hers to take care of.
Just like that.
Then one morning,
She's gone.
everything
Just like
changed.
that.
The
She's
girl
gone.
packed
Just
up
like
her
that.
clothes and left
She's
the
gone.
baby at
Just
the
like
house.
that.
Disappeared with no
help me,
warning.
son.
No call, no message, nothing. Miss Bev sat in silence, holding the crying baby, realizing the same confusion and hardship she once blamed other people for, now had entered her own home. The yard that used to be full of noise and arguments slowly became filled with exhaustion, stress, and regret. For the first time in a long while, Miss Bev began thinking about how Pinky felt. She thought of Pinky differently. Pinky was a girl with ambition. Pinky never left her stress on her. Do you know a Miss Bev? Comment below.
Baby father, problem for true I live. Every week him say he miss me and the baby too. Him not help much but him still a come true. Try to creep back in on my life like nothing ever do. One pampers in a bag and him proud for that yard. Text me good morning like we still dey on chat. Baby need milk and him disappear fast. But every Saturday him pull up on the block. Him say, Pinky make change. Me say, boy stop lie. Every girl when you're there with still send you back your card. Baby father, problem for true and live. Still I tell me say I only me him love and choose. Whole heap of stress and whole heap of excuse. But when the baby smile me still confused.